Hi, मेरा नाम ध्रुव है and I'm the co-founder of Arata. I'm here to answer your frequently asked questions about our top selling super shampoo. Our super shampoo is a 6-in-1 formula. Yes, one shampoo that gives you 6 benefits. It helps prevent hair fall, boosts hair growth, restores pH balance, reduces breakage, fights microbial infections, and adds shine. It's like a complete solution for your hair, working right from the roots. Our formula is infused with L-arginine, isoflavonoids, vitamin E, and biotin, derived from onion, bhringraj, aloe vera, argan oil, apple cider vinegar, and pea proteins. These ingredients are scientifically proven to help the follicles absorb nutrients better and stimulate hair growth. Yes, our super shampoo is perfected for all Indian hair types, including straight, wavy, or curly. The super shampoo has apple cider vinegar, which forms a protective coating around the hair strands, ensuring no pigment or color loss. Hey, using shampoo isn't rocket science. Use as much as you need, but emulsify it first in your hands and then gently massage it into your scalp. Use cold water to rinse it out. No, sounds interesting, right? Our super shampoo has an incredibly hydrating formula. It is infused with moisturizing ingredients like argan oil, aloe vera, pea protein, and vitamin E. This powerful blend hydrates your hair from inside and out, so you can totally skip using oil before your shampoo. The super shampoo is your go-to defense against chlorine and hard water damage. It has citric acid, which helps prevent mineral buildup and helps remove chlorine from your hair. You can use this shampoo once or twice a week, but you can also use it every single day. It's super gentle, very effective, and you won't have any kind of issues. Absolutely. The super shampoo is enriched with super ingredients like pea protein and argan oil, which strengthen strands and prevent split ends. No, our super shampoo contains just the good stuff. No parabens, sulphates, DEAs, MEAs, phthalates, or any other toxic ingredients that will damage your hair. The super shampoo makes your hair shinier, smoother, and stronger in just one wash. But consistent use is important to see long-term results. Absolutely. You want to boost hair growth? Team it up with our intensive hair growth serum. Want to style your hair? Use our styling gel. Your hair can initially feel rough after using super shampoo. That's because the super shampoo doesn't have any silicones. It's that synthetic coating that makes your hair feel smooth and silky. If this is a concern, then follow it up with our conditioner for moisturized and smooth hair. In just a few washes, your hair will get used to the super shampoo and its formulation, and you will have the smoothest hair you've ever had. If you oil your hair before shampooing, it's normal to feel residual oil or greasiness in your hair. No need to worry, just double shampoo by washing your hair twice in the same session, and the oiliness will be gone. Our product is dermatologically tested and very unlikely to cause any kind of irritation. Lakhs of customers have used our product and not come back to us with any such complaints. However, we advise that you go through the ingredients and check if you're allergic to any of the ingredients on the label. No, we love our animals way too much. Our products are certified to be cruelty-free and vegan. Now that it's all done and dusted, it's time for you to try the super shampoo for yourself.